15th August is annually celebrated as our country's Independence Day, the day we unite as a country to proclaim that we are proud to be Indians and that Sare Jahan se Acha Hindustan Hamara. While growing up, we have all studied the history of our independence. We have all heard stories of how brave soldiers and freedom fighters fought against British rule. It was after much struggle for 90 years that our motherland could finally break free from the shackles of the British Raj on 15th August 1947. Today marks the 73rd anniversary of our independence and is perhaps one of the most significant ones as we celebrate this day amidst a pandemic. The current scenario has made us realize the importance of our freedom that we often take for granted. So I request all of you to join me as we celebrate this day full of patriotic spirit in a unique way.
है मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
The Commerce Admin Body of JDBI would now like to share a small message.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free.
Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth.
Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dry desert sand of dead habit.
Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
It makes my heart beat with pride to see the colors of Independence Day spreading happiness and great joys all around.
On this special day, here's wishing our dreams of a new tomorrow come true.
We celebrate the bravery of our people and their gift of freedom. Long may our flag wave. Stay safe, stay proud, and a very happy 73rd Independence Day. Vande Mataram.
Thank you.